Hi, my name is Jonny, and next year I will be a senior at the Bay School of San Francisco. For my main project, I created a smart garden, which basically will use this MKR1000 microcontroller and send data that it reads from a moisture sensor, a photoresistor, and a temperature probe, send it all to a database where it will be shown on graphs on a web server. So, the first thing I had to learn with this project is there's a difference between digital and analog pins. Digital pins will only accept 5 voltage or 0 volt electrical signals, while analog pins will accept any voltage with any electrical signal. Seeing as this is the case, I decided to plug all my wires into the analog pins because my sensors and wires only use 3.3 volts. So, in the first analog pin, we have this white wire right here, which connects the microcontroller to a moisture sensor, which is this boy right here. And this moisture sensor actually has 2 other pins that need to be wired to the microcontroller, a VCC and a GND. VCC stands for voltage supply, and GND stands for ground. In A2, the second analog pin, I have this blue wire right here, which connects the microcontroller to the temperature probe right back here. And this will send data about what the air temperature is and send it to the microcontroller, which once it's programmed will be able to send all of the information it receives to a database, like I said earlier. In the third analog pin, A3, we have this red wire right here, which connects the microcontroller to a photoresistor, which can track like how much light there is, or how much light it is receiving. And in between the photoresistor and the exterior of the board, the outside side, the negative strip, there is a 10K resistor, which first of all makes sure that too much electricity is not actually flowing through the circuit, so it doesn't like blow up. And also it completes the circuit, which allows it to run in a complete circle. Overall, up to this milestone, I haven't had any significant problems. I had to learn entirely how to wire a breadboard from scratch, but other than that, I only had one problem where I accidentally did not wire the VCC and GND parts of the moisture sensor. Luckily, my counselor, Liam, found my mistake, and it was no problem at all. Moving forwards, I will have to actually program the MKR1000, create a database and web server, and connect them all together so that they all work in tandem.